It's Thursday, November 14th, 2024. It's 8:37 a.m. Eastern. This is a screen recording of a live trading session with my small account. I'll pause the video and I'll return once the market opens and I see a possible trade. 9:22, market's going to open in about 10 minutes. I'm keeping my eye on a couple of these in the top five. The top gainer, UAVS, up 93%, has some really good news. Evidently, they just secured 17 purchase orders for their drones. That has been running in pre-market, as you can see. But that is very good news for this company, and I would think once the market opens, that's going to create some interest. High during pre-market is 352 back here. It's currently about 315. So I have a feeling this is going to move. Also, GXAI, the fourth highest gainer at 42%. It has some good news as well. Their board of directors approved Bitcoin as a reserve asset, and they're going to purchase $1 million worth of it. So anybody familiar with crypto and into crypto, I would think that would create some interest as well. Has run up a little bit during pre-market. This news just came out an hour ago. Pre-market high is 227. It's currently pulled back to 207. So we'll see what happens when the market opens. But there's a couple looking pretty good here. I'll pause and return. I have an order in. I am in the trade. 60 shares at 448. This is UAVS. Profit and loss showing down here. And I'm out. Let's go see what we have. All right, I was about 1/10 of a second slow on that trade. A little slow on the sell button. $6.34. It's 2.2% gain on that trade. Let me get a closer look. I was only in this about 30 seconds, in at 448, out at 458. I noticed down here in my profit and loss that I was up about $14. I went to hit sell and I was just a blink of an eye too late. But that happens. You can't catch them all the time. I'll still take it. It still adds to the green for the month. So thanks a lot for watching, and tomorrow's Friday. Let's trade again.